Hello my dear market analysts, it's Dennis, your guide in the world of market analysis. Our AI-powered bot is ready to be your trusted ally, backed by years of experience and cutting-edge technology. The bot analyzes the market, makes predictions, and gives you useful tips. No extra effort or expertise needed on your part. Watch this video till the end as we test it out live. And don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. You will find tons of helpful information about my bot. Let's step into the future together with AI. Alright, let's start by picking our players. The bot is already giving us today's picks. 2 currency pairs and 2 stocks. No indicators needed here, so we'll skip that part. Now it's time to get things started. Our bot has already analyzed the first pair. It's signaling an upward move, so I'm going with a strong trend. Awesome, I knew it would work. The bot has analyzed the situation again. Lightning fast. It's signaling a downward move. I'll make the same call. Spot on. The bot and I make a great team. It's like one mind working together. Alright, here's the first stock. As you can see, there's a strong downtrend here. The bot suggests we follow this momentum. Let's get to work. Who would doubt it, right? By the way, a quick reminder, it's super important to respond to the bot signals quickly, as the market can change in a second. Next up, we have another stock. Okay, this one is the reverse, a strong uptrend. The latest message from my assistant also points us upward. I'm expecting no pullbacks here. It's all going smoothly and I'm confident we can keep up this energy. Let's look at the chart. Friends, what call would you make here? The bot has already suggested going up from the support level and I agree. Once again, the bot didn't disappoint. I'm more convinced each time that it's one of the most impressive tools out there. A bot that helps me make my dreams a reality. And you already know where to get it, for free. Alright, let's do a few more rounds. I'm seeing downward movement, slowing here. Let's see what the bot suggests. It's signaling an upward bounce. No arguments here, let's go for it. Perfect. One last push. Check it out. A strong downtrend, and the bot expects it to continue. Let's follow that lead. Wow, what more is there to say, right? You saw it, all for yourselves. Is it magic? Not at all, just the result of hard work. Dear market analysts, this bot is your reliable guide in the world of market analysis. My assistant is now ready to help you too, thanks to years of experience and the latest AI technology. On my Telegram channel, you can watch live sessions where the bot analyzes the market and makes precise calls. Are you ready to get started? Then subscribe to my channel. The link is in the video description. Let's build the future with AI together.